Jobs you can do online from home in 2023. Here's a roundup of the best online jobs you can start today. Become a data entry clerk. A data entry clerk is responsible for inputting data from various sources into a computer program. Data examples include addresses, financial data, or survey responses. From understanding different types of data entry tasks to mastering data accuracy, speed, and efficiency, this video provides valuable insights on how to excel in the field of data entry. Types of data entry tasks. Data entry comes in various forms, from manual data input to data verification, validation, and quality control. As a data entry expert, it's important to understand the different types of data entry tasks and how they contribute to the overall data management process. Data accuracy. Data accuracy is paramount in data entry. The importance of double-checking data for accuracy, including techniques such as proofreading, cross-checking, and using data validation tools. Data speed and efficiency. Being able to enter data quickly and efficiently is a key skill for any data entry expert. Tips and techniques to improve your data entry speed, including keyboard shortcuts, data formatting tricks, and automation tools. Discover how small adjustments in your workflow can significantly increase your productivity. Data security and confidentiality. As a data entry expert, you'll often handle sensitive information. Best practices for protecting sensitive data, handling personal information, and adhering to data privacy regulations. Time-saving tips and techniques. Efficiency is key in data entry. Time-saving tips and techniques to streamline your data entry tasks. From using templates and macros to leveraging data entry software. If you are interested in working as a full-time data entry clerk, try applying for a job at some of the best companies offering data entry and processing services. Tech speed. Capital typing. Workers. Conclusion. In conclusion, mastering data entry requires a combination of accuracy, speed, efficiency, and adherence to data security and quality control best practices. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights on how to become a data entry expert. Remember to practice and apply these tips in your data entry tasks to continuously improve your skills. Thank you for watching.